Assalamu alaikum students of class 3, welcome to the 16th video lecture of class 3 English. If you open your books to page 19, we have this activity C1. Here it says underline the words in the following. Naila sat. Now the first word is sat beside the road. She read her book and waited for the bus. A boy came past on his bicycle. The wheel of the bicycle hit a stone. The bike fell over. The boy and flying too went flying and landed in front of Nadia. Catch the bus next time, said Naila. The boy smiled and rubbed his knees. Now these were the actually verbs in the paragraph. And for this one activity, they dash for an hour every afternoon. Choose a verb from the box, complete the following, use the correct form of verb. So we are provided with verbs, but we have to use the correct form of verb. Like the suitable verb here is dressed, but we will be using rested. Jason and Mary dash with their friends in the are playing. We are provided with playing, but we have to use are playing because it's present continuous. Playing, are playing in the garden. Now Sarah dash a whole glass of milk before going to the bed last night. We are provided here with drink, but it will be drank because it is past tense. She dash television every evening. She watches because it is present indefinite. She watches television every evening with देखती है. And for the last one here, watches and catch. Amin dash a cold last week. Amin caught a because it is past, so second form of verb will be used. So solve both these activities on your books here on page number 19. Until next video lecture, Allah Hafiz.